What is algae biodiesel? Biodiesel is an inexhaustible fuel that can be produced using fats and oils, as algal oil. Green growth is a moderately new feedstock for biodiesel, and has higher biomass and development at high rates contrasted with earthbound plants. Algae benefits: higher biomass than earthbound plants, higher development rates than earthly plants, capacity to reuse supplements from wastewater sources. 1,000 gallons of biodiesel can be created section of land/year. Algae drawbacks: high production cost, difficulty in processing, presence of phospholipids. Normal algal biodiesel processing. This is the process usually used for processing algae into biodiesel. In situ algal biodiesel processing. In situ uses elevated temperatures and methanol amounts to cut down processing steps. Green growth hero? There have been some wildly exaggerated claims about algae's production potential. With more realistic assumptions, the limiting value for algae is likely to be 3,785 to 7,571 liters. So, reasonable production estimates for algae production are still 2 to 3 times higher than is achievable using terrestrial plants. Thank you for watching this video. Follow and subscribe our channel.